Always remember who you are.
Hi, good day Jamaica. My name is Ryan and I'm currently living in Alberta, Canada. But a part of me will always be Jamaican. But as we're celebrating our Pride festivities here in Canada, my heart goes out to the LGBTQ plus community in Jamaica. One day sooner than later, I hope you'll be able to celebrate your truth without the fear of discrimination and violence from the homophobic and bigoted population of Jamaica. But until that time, be assured that we here in Canada and around the world will continue the fight for justice and equality for the LGBTQ plus community of Jamaica, so that one day you'll be able to live your true, authentic truth, to celebrate without the fear of discrimination and violence. Jamaica, let love live life. Let love live. One love.